Hello students, today we are making origami. It spells O-R-I-G-A-M-I, and that means to learn how to fold animals like you see here. Okay, woodland animals, and we are going to learn how to do that. And there's different kinds that you can choose to fold. Okay, this one or that, different type of animals. And we're gonna use square papers. Some of the example I already folded looks like this. It's very cute. And there's little animals like this that we have to color. We're gonna make our own. These are just examples. Okay. This is how we have to color our own animals on our paper. So we got a square paper, and these are called textures. This is fur and different things that we're gonna get to draw all the parts, nose, and when we fold it, it's gonna look like that. Okay? So let's start with something simple. This one is a simple one. And we have different papers. I gave blue, orange, and red, and different papers. I'm going to use red to start with. And we can try to do maybe a hedgehog or a mouse or a squirrel or a badger or a hedgehog. Those are nice. We can do a mouse. Okay. Let's try starting with something simple. So, first thing, before we get started, we're going to fold this paper over. So, match the corners. This corner to corner, match it. Match these corners too, and make a crease. We made this line now. See, we made this line. Then, when you made the middle line, you're gonna fold this corner. That's gonna be the nose. Just so you don't forget, it's gonna be a nose. You can take a pencil and just draw some nostrils so you don't forget it's a nose. Like this. Okay? Alright. Then, when you're looking at it this way, I'm going to make it into, so the square face is like this, like a diamond. The nose is on top like this. Like this. Okay? It's going to look like this. So all we have to do is we're going to draw a nose. I'm going to draw a nose like this. Two straight lines here. And maybe the first one should be something easy. Maybe I'm going to do a hedgehog for the first one. I'm going to make nice hedgehog eyes here. Oval, nice big eyes for your hedgehog. If it's a girl, you can give her eyelashes. And this part, we're gonna do like that. This one we need to fold in too. Because when we fold this in, this will be also the nose. So for the fox, I'm gonna use green eyes. But I put the white crayon first so that the green eyes show a little better. Oh, you know what would be nice to make a wolf? We could make a wolf too. It's similar way. If you got the blue paper, it's gonna be easier for you to make a wolf. And use gray crayon, because wolves can be gray, and you can make a tongue that's sticking out. I'm gonna put some white inside of the fox's ears, but I will also show you how to make a wolf the same way. But don't forget the textures like this fur. And don't forget, foxes have also orange fur. So I'm gonna use my orange crayon or like natural, really light brown crayon to give nice textures. I think I can, this crayon is so soft that I can smudge. It makes it look like a paint because this one is so soft. It looks browner than what I wanted, but that's okay. It kind of looks cute this way. I'm smudging it with my fingers. Try to smudge too if you have a soft crayon like that. This one was melted or soft or something. I'm gonna add more white. This is gonna be very pretty for Miss Dolce's forest themed media center.
I'm not gonna have them by the end of art class.
I'm gonna use a little glue stick just to stick this nose because it keeps unsticking. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it a little bit because it kept opening. So that's my first animal, but I'll show you a wolf now. I think I'm gonna do eyelashes because this is a fox. To make a wolf just like this. So this is the fox, the wolf. I could also use the black paper, but I will use blue just for fun. So I'm gonna do it same way like this. So basically fold it over, but I'm gonna be using my gray. Fold it over once, then fold the nose over like this. Then you can pre-draw a line from here to here, or from here to here, and fold along the line, both sides. 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is gonna be our awesome wolf. I think this wolf will have mouth open because I want to give him teeth. Use your white crayon if you want to give him nice white teeth. I use black and white crayon for teeth. I'm going to give him a red mouth. Like that. I'm going to give him some fur. I'm going to give him round eyes. Actually like these. I'm going to give him some pointy ears. Now I'm going to use my gray crayon But I will still use white for the middle. And I'm gonna use my gray because wolves are usually gray, but the blue looks nice too with it for his fur. I think I'm gonna give him green eyes too. Green and yellow, I think. First, I'm gonna put white so that the green pops up better.
You're making another box again.
I'm just blending the gray fur. I'm blending the white to it so that it has a lot of textures and shading. Now I'm ready for my green eyes and yellow eyes. First green. Now I'm gonna do yellow in the middle. Like that. So now we have red fox and we got black wolf. I'm giving him a black line through the eyes. So we have nice two different ones like this. Oh, I forgot the fox could have had some whiskers. So you can add some whiskers to the fox. If you made a fox, add some whiskers. You can add some yellow cheeks to the fox too.